After you've unpacked your Gecko-Loc suction cups, have a look at the back. Note the indentations in the suction cup. These will be used to install the suction cup to your basket or shower caddy. Loosen the knob on the suction cup just enough to slide the super suction cup over the back rail of your basket. Then tighten the knob just enough so your suction cup will stay in position. You'll tighten it later once it's on the surface. Position your basket in the desired location and be careful to avoid any grout lines, indentations, dirt, or soap buildup on the surface. That will prevent a tight seal of your suction cups. You can align the cups anywhere along the rail to ensure a smooth, flat surface for your suction cups. To attach the suction cup to the surface and create a lasting seal, take one hand and press the cup firmly to the wall. With the other hand, turn the knob clockwise until tight. You should notice the vacuum seal getting tighter as you turn. If you do not notice the seal getting tighter, double check to make sure there are no indentations, loose dirt, or soap buildup on the surface behind the suction cup. Also make sure you're pressing firm enough to the surface to ensure a solid seal. Once you've locked your first cup in place, repeat with the other side and your installation is complete.